This tutorial will describe setting up destinations in MovieRecorder 3. By clicking the Destinations tab in the upper left corner, we are able to configure our destinations. The destination settings determine how and where MovieRecorder will write the ingested files. The default destination ProRes to Movies will be used. This is created automatically and will create a file in ProRes 422 in the current user's movie folder unless modified. We can, however, manually configure the destination by clicking the settings icon. Here we are able to name our destination preset and establish the location of where the file will be written to and recorded. This can be a local drive or to a shared storage drive. By selecting the Erase Existing Files box, we can choose whether we would like to overwrite a pre-existing file of the same name or write a second file with a counter number appended to the end of the file name. Clicking the name box of the menu allows us to select fields that will automatically be written in by the recorder. For example, by dragging the year, month, and recording name boxes to the name format field, the recorder will automatically write a file name containing the current year, current month in the recording name. You can add any character to better keep your recordings organized. A / will automatically create subdirectories, and characters like an underscore work well to separate some fields. The fields may be placed in any order you wish. You can choose how to save your file here or to use MovieRecorder's Edit While Ingest features. If none is selected, it is not in Edit While Ingest format and creates one file for the recording. Segmented creates an Edit While Ingest segmented file. The format is readable by most editors, however currently only Final Cut Pro 10 supports Edit While Ingest of this type. When using Classic format, the file segment duration is manually set. If the Update Movie Duration when stopping box is checked, MovieRecorder will change the file to match the actual length of the recording segment. The loop function is handy for time shifting, where when the end of the file is reached, it will start overwriting at the beginning of the file. The AV setting allows us to select the codec to use. Also, if we were to visit the Preferences menu, we have a list of common codec configurations and the detail of their default settings. These cannot be modified. We can, however, duplicate the preset most similar to our desired settings and modify that. By selecting the settings icon and duplicate, we can modify the default parameters. User presets are listed here. A custom user preset may also be added by selecting the plus icon and configuring the settings to your liking. Note that the available codecs change based on the Edit While Ingest format you selected. Any undesired user presets can be removed by highlighting the preset and clicking the minus sign. The Autosplit button allows us to record a file, and when a certain duration is reached, a new file is created without losing a frame. This is particularly handy for recording continuous long durations. A new destination can be added by selecting the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. A popover menu will appear that acts as a shortcut, quickly creating a destination using the common QuickTime or the MXF file formats. The minus sign will remove the destinations from your list. You can create as many destinations as you would like and record to multiple destinations simultaneously. To enable these destinations, we click the upper right corner of the individual source portal and select the desired labeled boxes. Clicking on the magnifying glass icon, MovieRecorder reveals where this file is to be written to in Finder. The number of destinations that can be written to simultaneously is limited by the processing power of your computer. At any point, we can show the activity and log window to monitor and verify that our system is not being overtaxed. This concludes our tutorial about configuring destinations in MovieRecorder 3.